The circus. Double vaulting over planks. Highly educated performing dogs and monkeys. Comical bareback riders. 1. Driving 6 horses. 2. Driving a 4-horse Roman chariot. Acrobatic exercises on barebacked horse at full speed. 1. The wheelbarrow clowns. 2. Building a ladder on his head. 3. Performing ladies' hack. 4. The clown with his educated horses. Acrobatic feats whilst riding barebacked horses. 1. The funny clowns. 2 and 3. The performing horse and elephant. 4. The dancing clown and pig. Some of the comic features of the circus. 1. Driving an 8-horse Roman chariot. 2. 4-in-hand races. Flying through drum hoops. 1. The clown dog. 2. Skipping. 3. Giving instructions to his solicitor. 4. Climbing the ladder. 5. Rolling a barrel. Juggling performance on a barebacked horse.